Hello guys, this is Kixpicks, and today we're back to the ISEO lock, the one that we picked and got it in the last video. If you haven't seen this video yet, I'm gonna put it in the description below so you can watch it. So today I'm actually about to reassembly the lock. And what took me so long that I was doing a few custom picks. I had a lot of orders, so I was very busy. I just finished, and it had 4 spools and 1 standard, and all the key pins were standard. I'm gonna do this the old way. The old and the hard way. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the C-clip from the other side of the lock, as you can see here. Always the old-fashioned way is the best way for me. So we're gonna remove this C-clip and we're gonna use the key, which is not this one, it's that one. Yeah, keep jumping. Then we're gonna use this, the key. We're gonna do like that. Then we're gonna take the core outside, remove everything. Start this clean, and do this the right way. So the first thing is I'm gonna put all the springs back. So we had the number 5 spool. So we're gonna use these things that
this is much easier for
not sure if you guys can see what's happening inside. Just want to show you. So we catch the spool, we put it inside and we push, then we push. All right, it gets stuck. So it's under, and I'm gonna get the third one ready in the back here. So we're gonna get pin 4, which is a spool also. Pin 4 is inside. Pin 3, which is standard. Done. Pin 2, spool. Done. And pin 1. which is spool. I put it like this, then I start to push it down. And I push this back. So what's good about the spools, you can do this and everything is inside. So we're good. Let's put this, oh no, oh no. I hate doing this on camera. I mean, I don't have space to put and focus and look. So we're gonna put the core back. And we're gonna put the C clips back. As you can see, I fixed it. Just wanted to put the C-clip first to make sure that nothing falls off me again. So let's test, see if it's gonna work or not. The key works, lock opens, and the keys go out. Nothing is wrong with it. Other side. Same thing, the key go inside smoothly, go outside, outside, and lock open smoothly. I'm sorry guys if this video was a bit of long or annoying, but I just can't see what I'm doing. There is a huge tripod and lights right between me and the lock, and the reassembly, it's really annoying. So I better do it when I'm sitting comfortably and can see what I'm doing. But it's done. I'm not saying that this is bad. This is good, but I'm sure if I wasn't recording and I was doing this by myself, this would help me more. But yeah, because it wasn't easy to do this on camera. Okay guys, see you around and thank you for watching, and see you guys around.